so you get more transportation on the stairs. Here is the dusting brush for digging in surfaces and in the corners. Yeah, it's very good. And here is the brush tool that you can use for your blinds up there. And you see these blinds here? They're good for cleaning your curtains and really good for blinds, but you have to use it on lower curtains and blinds. And here is this part that attaches onto this part here, so you can hoover. And here's the pneumatic instructions. So here's there. So now here's the Henry the Hoover bag. That's where I keep all my little tools in. Up there. So the last thing in is Henry the Hoover.
It's alright.
Oh, that was weird, wasn't it, guys? Was that funny?
It was. Keep going.
Right, so here's Henry Toes. So here is Henry the Hoover's hose. And there is really the hose that attaches to here. So you use this. You use this hose and you wind it in here, guys. Like that. You twist it in. So now let's set them all up. So let me put all these stuff in here. And guys, this is the very first time me using this big tool here. I'll just take it off at the end of the video. So you can take off the face, it's plastic. I can see this floor tool here. The floor tool here, this part here, guys. That part there clips into there, so it's stuck on. So like, I put this on, and I do this, that part here, and that part there. So you clip it in here. Instead of throwing it on the floor. So now let's do a little quick hoover, guys, before I say bye-bye. So it's gonna